Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Complex pricing, messy billing, missed revenue. Some industries deal with all three, and Salesforce Revenue Cloud was built to fix exactly that. Today we're breaking down the industries that benefit most and why. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Kenzie Whitman, a Salesforce consultant at Solve.cloud. If you're evaluating Revenue Cloud or just want to know if it's the right fit for your industry, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Real quick, Revenue Cloud combines CPQ billing and subscription management into one platform. It streamlines everything from quoting a deal to collecting payment. Now, who gets the most out of it? First up, Tech and SaaS. This is the sweet spot. Subscription pricing, usage-based billing, renewals. Revenue Cloud handles all of it automatically. Sales reps generate accurate quotes in minutes. Billing runs without manual intervention, and finance stays compliant with automated revenue recognition. If you're a software company still doing this in spreadsheets, this is your sign to upgrade. Next, manufacturing. Complex product configurations, volume discounts, distributor pricing. It's a lot to manage. Revenue Cloud CPQ engine lets reps configure products with thousands of variables and quote accurately and fast. No more pricing errors eating into your margins, and as manufacturers shift towards service models, this subscription tool makes that transition seamless. Healthcare and life sciences is a big one too. Complex contracts, multiple payer types, strict compliance requirements. Revenue Cloud brings structure to all of it. It automates billing across payer models, maintains audit trails, and supports government pricing. For medtech and pharma companies, it turns a compliance headache into a manageable workflow. And Telecom, one of the most complex pricing environments out there. Bundles, add-ons, promotional rates, midterm contract changes. Revenue Cloud automates quoting for enterprise clients, manages subscriptions life cycles, and reduces revenue leakage from billing errors. In an industry with constant margin pressure, those efficiency gains matter enormously. Here's the common thread. Every one of these industries deals with complex pricing, recurring revenue, or high transaction volume. If your business has been one of these, Revenue Cloud is worth a serious look. The companies winning with it aren't just using it to send invoices, they're using it as a full revenue engine. That's it for today. What industry are you in? Let me know in the comments. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Salesforce content every week. See you in the next one.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.